Okay, so as you can see, I am on update v81. Now, I told you guys in my last video when we did the overview that I'd go over, to the best showcase of some of the stuff that you get with v81. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that I have a whole different area. Okay, so in case you're wondering why it may or may not look a little bit different, it's because this is the intro. When you first are on B81, this is the intro right here. Let's go like to here, for example, because I believe that some setting in which case we can put it closer to there as we can. So basically what I'm doing is I'm moving around and it's literally moving around with me when I actually, oh wait, I can sit down. Okay, it's literally moving around with me when I move the left joystick, which I'm doing. That's how you move around. You look, and then that's where you're walking towards. And, you use the right to snap into different directions. And then if I want to log on, I'm actually not logged on, so this is just like random default thing. But we can hit like a 3D view thing, and that's pretty cool. It's in 3D right now. That's just like random from the get-go. That's not like my feed or anything. Ooh, that looks cool. I don't, yeah. Let's see. And then we can go here. We can see here. I'm actually sitting down right now, but I didn't know how much I'd be moving around. That's why I'm using the wireless mic right now. And then we go here to change the thing. And that would just by default for me. Oh, and we can even sit here and just view stuff in the horizon. I do like that we can sit down now. That's a nice touch. But wait, there is more. Okay, certain things have changed. If we click here to open, okay, whoop, I did not mean to open that. That the portal shortcut, that the Instagram window, which we can remove or add. Oh, wait, they're like right. Oh, okay, so we can change. Let's actually download different things so we can actually see. That would be pretty cool. While we're waiting for it to download, let's see a few other things that we can do, right? So if we go back to there, we would see that actually I am curious about something. Like this, we can open, this will open up in a different window. Horizon feed, I guess. And then I guess we put this. Okay, but that's a bit different, right? Like if we move this here. Oh, okay, okay. And then open settings. We have that there. And then we have 4 windows so far. And I'm not going to go through them all, but apparently you can open up a lot of different windows. Now, immersive mode is what I just went to. It's the 3 dots on the left controller. Oh, okay. And this is just the scenery at night, which I think is pretty cool. While we're playing around with those, let's download both of these, okay? just so I can show you guys all of them. Okay, so this is actually very cool. Let's see if there are any extra special features. There doesn't seem to be any extra special features right now. Screen reader, I don't know if that was there before or not. This is just the regular store. Again, feel free to check out some of my links in the description below. And feel free to use code TECH for 10% off. And it helps the channel if you do decide to buy some games. So 1, 2, 3, 4 windows so far. As you can see, I'm casting right now. And those should be downloaded. So when I click that again, switch scenery again. And if we look forward, we can see the scenery has switched again. And we can sit down and view the scenery yet again. Now, we can also go to the ocean scenery. Ooh, I think I like that one quite a bit. Quite a bit. And as you can see, there's no more Instagram pinned up there because we took it down. But now we added it back. So there it is. Now, I'm hoping what they do is make it so you can add future windows and scenery and stuff. You know, like add feature things here. Right now, Instagram seems to be the only thing you can add and remove from there, but I'm hoping that they add more of those and maybe add more sceneries in the future and whatnot. But yeah, basically when you're looking around, wherever you're looking at, that's where you'll by default go, but you can also use the right thumbstick to snap different ways. Ooh, let's look at this. I wish you could like pick this up or something. I think that would be cool, honestly. Maybe I'm asking too much. I don't know, but yeah, I just think it would look cool. I think it would look very cool on it. But yeah, this is fun, honestly. This is fun. This is one of the updates along with more stability in general. And yeah, this is v81. Now this is, like I said, by default, you'll be in the immersive home is what they call it. And as far as I know, they have got rid of like your different other options and stuff to make room for this immersive home. This will be the default thing, it looks like, and switch sceneries. And let's check one more thing. If we go to sources, or rather we go to storage in the settings, our sceneries are here. So you can delete the sceneries anytime you want. So like I downloaded them to show you guys, they aren't stuck forever. They can be deleted. Okay, they can be deleted. Now, I am a little worried, honestly, because this says that the system is 17.83 gigs, basically 18 gigs. So I'm a little worried I'm going to run out of storage eventually. But I feel like that neither here nor there with the update. I just wanted to go over some of the stuff with you guys for the update. Let's see, there's not really much else. I guess we can view quick settings. As you can see, the battery indicator looks a bit different. This is when I installed it on, if I'm being perfect honest. And oh yeah, I believe you can actually pin windows while you're in regular pass-through mode, but I'll be honest, when I clicked on pass-through mode, it kind of acted a little bit wonky. That's probably because I have a certain setting thing. But yeah, we can actually close all four of these. Yes, I remember that one over there. Then if we press the meta button, we can just enjoy the scenery. You know, look at the butterflies and sit down, just look over there. Oh, can we go up here? We can. Can we sit on the couch? We can. Hoo-hoo. Okay. Now I will be honest, it's a little bit annoying that we can't just plop to any other seat. We have to get up and then sit down, but it is nice we can sit in other seats. Get some foliage right there. And remember, this is just the early version of Immersive Room, I feel like. I say early version because the update just came out, so I imagine they will expand on it a bit in the future and whatnot. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this update of the immersive home is what they call it. See, immersive home. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Oh, and feel free to let me know if you guys did get the update yet or not. And if you, like me, hope they add more sceneries in the future. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later. Okay.